If you're looking to install the AEJuice Pack Manager in Premiere Pro, it's a straightforward process. First, open a web browser and head to the official AEJuice website. Once you're there, look for the Download option. You'll find it on the top menu bar. Click on it and it will ask you to choose your operating system, either Windows or macOS. Select the one that matches your system. Next, it'll prompt you to enter your email address. This step is required to send you the free plugins that come with AEJuice. After you enter your email, the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the zip file to access the installer. Open the installer and you'll see options for the versions of AEJuice you can install. These include options for After Effects, Premiere Pro, or even a standalone version. Since we're focusing on Premiere Pro, make sure to select that version. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After the installation is done, open Premiere Pro. To ensure the plugin is installed correctly, go to the top menu bar, click on Window, then select Extensions. You should see AEJuice Pack Manager listed there. Click on it and the AEJuice interface will open. Within the Pack Manager, you'll find a list of available plugins and packs that you can download. That's all you need to get started with AEJuice in Premiere Pro. Once installed, it's a great tool to streamline your workflow and enhance your projects with high-quality effects and animations. Thanks for watching.